Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Thunderbird tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change line spacing in Thunderbird. This is actually quite simple. To do this I first open Thunderbird and now we have to decide which method we want to use. Because there is a temporary one which I have to set for every mail, or I choose the permanent solution. I will show you the temporary solution first. For this I open a new mail and I need some sample text. I prepared this before and it looks like this. Now we see the large line spacing. How do I change this? First I have to select my text and now I have to change from paragraph to body text. It looks way larger than before, but no worries, these are all separate lines. When I delete them, we will see that my line spacing is now way smaller. But if I don't want to set that for every mail, I can also set that in the settings. To do this I close the mail first. And now I go to the top right and click on the three bars. And here I select Settings. In the tab Composition, I go to HTML style. And here I find the option Use paragraph format instead of body text by default. Since we want exactly the opposite, I just have to uncheck it. Now, when I write a new mail, we see that body text is automatically selected here. So I have the smaller line spacing. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye!